Welcome back everyone to a new video. So today, as you can see and you have noticed from the title, I'm gonna review my new Mulberry Seaton bag. You might know by now from the other videos that I love Mulberry brand, and I've got few bags from the same brand, and this is my latest. So I'm gonna talk to you how I came to know about this bag, what I like about it, and leather, hardware, and few other things I'm gonna share with you. So if you want to know the details about this bag, just stay tuned. So this bag was on my list for some time now. It's called the Seaton bag from Mulberry, and like I said, I love this brand because of the quality. They have a very nice quality of leather, stitching, and the style of the bags in general. The hardware I'm gonna talk through in a while. It's not wow, but still it's okay comparing to the rest of the bag and the quality of it. So this Seaton bag is a small size. It's not medium, very small size. I think there is a micro and mini. There is medium size, large I'm not sure. So this has been out I think for a year or a year and a half, and this is the black color I got. The opening is like this. Is similar to another bag I've got. I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna review it if you wish. So the inside of the bag, it has one space here and also a small compartment here, and it has not a zipper but closing mini space and another space over here. The bag looks not big but not small, but it doesn't fit much comparing to my Lulu YSL. I can put few things like my small card holder, wallet, a bottle of water, and few other stuff. However, I can put a lot more in my Lulu bag and close it properly. This, with few less things, it gets full and it shows on the outside. However, this is perfect for everyday bag and work bag as well. It's very classy and chic but simple in the same time because of the structure of the bag and the way it looks. So you can wear it with a top handle, or you can wear it with a strap, which is an adjustable strap. You can make it longer or shorter, and you can wear it also as a crossbody bag. Also, it has the what do you call it? I don't know. It has these ones where you can put it on a table or on the floor, although I don't advise you to put any of your bags on the floor, just to keep it clean and in perfect conditions. The hardware, I'm not as disappointed as with my other Mulberry bag. So far it's intact, no color has changed, it's still gold hardware, no scratches or no change of color so far, neither from the closure and opening or from the sides of the handbag. I was very lucky. If you've seen my shopping in Geneva, you would have known that I bought this with a discount price. I got it for 50%. So I think I was very lucky because I got it even cheaper than if I bought it 50% on the website or from any other place in Europe. So the original price of this, I think this was 1,190 Swiss francs. I'll tell you in euros. In euros it was 1,120, and I got it in Swiss franc for 690, less 50%, half price, means 650 euros. I don't think anywhere you could get the same, so I assume I was very lucky, and it was the last piece, so I was very happy. It was not on my plan in December, however it was there waiting for me, I guess, so I couldn't just miss the opportunity and buy it. Especially the condition is perfect and it looks nice, and this is one of the bags I wanted, so I went ahead and bought this bag. So I've been wearing this bag for a month or two. I mean, like, since I bought it, I started wearing it almost immediately, and I also traveled with it. And for me, when I travel, I just overpack my handbags, and still, look at it. It's like I just bought it yesterday. At least that's what I think. No wrinkles, no damages, nothing obvious on it. It still looks new, it still looks nice. And you know, the most important is, like, it looks very chic but simple in the same time. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I like this type of bags where, you know, it doesn't shout that I am a brand, but it looks classy and elegant. So this is about my Seaton bag. So this is in black, and I think there are a few other colors, but my favorite is this. What else should I talk about? So I would highly recommend to check this brand out. I mean, it's not, obviously it's not sponsored, I don't have many subscribers or views, but you know, I really love this brand. I don't know why. I bought my first wallet from Mulberry, and then from that time I fell in love with the brand. I told you, because of the leather quality and the structure of the bag. I do not like all of the bags, but there are a lot which I have from them. I have the base water, I have this Seaton, and I have another one which is, let me see, and I also have the Mulberry Amberley bag, which I also love, but I think it's a bit heavy. If you want me to do a review on it, let me know in the comment box, and let me know if you have any question about this. I do recommend you buy it if you wanna use it daily and you just don't want to carry a big bag. Again, as you might know, whoever follows me for now, I like to carry big bags, but I'm trying to shift into smaller ones. However, trying to have the same stuff as in bigger bags, and this is perfect so far. And that's it. Let me know what you think, and until the next video, you take care. Bye bye.